Even at the most successful of companies, perhaps especially at the most successful, there should always be a focus on how and where we can find savings and streamline processes. At EQUATE, one such place to focus our attentions and see if we can do better is in our valve workshops, an area prone to overloading, especially during the times when we need them most. During shutdowns, our workshops often get so over capacity that currently there is no other choice than to send equipment out to third parties to take care of. The solution, as we see it, is to make an investment in building mobile workshops to be deployed at times of high demand.
There are so many jobs being outsourced because this workshop is extremely busy. Our aim as a team is to reduce outside jobs by 30%. The new portable workshop will be an ideal solution for this problem.
The idea is to have a portable testing facility for PSV and manual valve. This portable testing facility will be limited to 20-inch valve. It will be equipped with working bench, testing bench, spare part, and tool shelf.
In the last turnaround, we overhauled hundreds of valves. By having this idea of portable workshop containers, our colleagues will be able to reduce the downtime of the plant as well as the transportation cost of these spares. Furthermore, the whole job will be done under our supervision.
This will eliminate the need for third parties to get involved in valve testing, keeping all work in-house, which will increase productivity and guarantee we can maintain quality standards.
By having a portable workshop, from mobilization point of view, I don't need to apply for a material gate pass in and out, since the workshop will be at site.
We've done all the studies, all the legwork. There is no question about the benefits of this project.
With this portable workshop, I'm confident that I will meet my shutdown schedule and start up safely.
We firmly believe that great benefits can be brought to EQUATE if the plan to create mobile valve workshops is implemented.